because we have one more section is there in this chapter, trigonometric equations. We have to complete that trigonometric equation also. So, which identity we have to discuss today? How many identities completed? How many identities discussed? I think 13 discussed. Cot of x minus y is cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. That is finished, I think. Am I right? 14 need to discuss. Yeah, thank you. So the 14th one, your cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. That is equal to 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 cos square x, sorry, sin square x. Okay, look at that. Your cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, this is your cos 2x. I am going to prove everything one by one. In fact, we know that cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y. Any doubt? Yeah, 13th identity, it is very simple. You replace y by minus y in the 12th identity. That is a homework. I gave us a homework. That is only one step or 1 or 2 steps only. Okay, many of the students finished yesterday also itself. They replied me. You please try that. In 12th identity, replace y by minus y. You will get the answer for the 13th identity. You complete that. Those who are not completed, please complete it. Yesterday I gave only the identity. Proof is very simple. I gave us a homework for that proof. You want 13th identity? Yes. Yeah, very good. Yeah, some students asking the 13th identity, that is cot of x minus y is equal to cot x into cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. This is your 13th identity. Your actually 12th identity is cot of x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot of y plus cot x. This is your 12th identity. We know that this is 12th identity. Based on this 12th identity, I am going to prove the 13th. How to prove that? Replace y by minus y. What is the answer here? Cot of x plus, this is in place of y, I am going to apply minus y. This is minus y. Okay, this is equal to cot x. Okay. So here I am getting cot of minus y, here plus 1 divided by, this is cot of minus y plus cot x. Now look at that. I have already told that your cot of minus x. What is cot x? Actually, what is cot x? Cos x by sin x. That is cos of minus x divided by sin of minus x. What is cos of minus x? This is the second identity. See that second identity, cos of minus x is cos x. What is your sin of minus x is minus sin x. This is first identity. So therefore, this is nothing but minus cot x. Look at that, your cot of minus x is minus cot x. Therefore, cot of minus y is minus cot y. Here we have minus. Here also cot of minus y is minus cot x. Okay, you take minus commonly from the numerator and denominator. Here you will get minus cot x cot y plus 1. Here you will get minus cot y plus cot x. Taking minus commonly from the numerator and denominator and cancel the minus, you will get cot x cot y minus 1 divided by your cot y minus cot x. Are you okay? How minus 1 changed to plus 1? Where? This is, look at that, look at that, man. So here you just apply that. What is your cot of minus y? Your cot of minus y is minus cot y. Apply that. This is a very simple proof. This is minus cot y. This plus 1. Here minus cot y plus cot x. Now look at that. Here minus is there. I am taking minus commonly in both the terms. When you take minus commonly in both the terms, I will get cot x, cot y. This will becomes minus 1 because I am taking minus commonly, but here it is plus is there. Divided by, here also I am taking minus commonly. What is the answer? That is cot y. Here plus cot x is there, but I am taking minus commonly. That is cot x. Okay. Here I'm sorry, this is minus. In the formula itself, this is minus. If this is minus means formula it is minus. Taking minus commonly means here it is plus cot x. So therefore cancel minus. So therefore your cot x, cot y minus 1 divided by cot x, sorry, cot y plus cot x. Yeah, this is, I'm sorry, this is minus 1 because cot x, this is cot y. Okay, here also plus only. Yeah, please look at that. I'm writing again the 12th identity. What is my 12th identity? Cot of x plus y equal to cot x, cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Okay, so here I am going to replace y by minus y. So therefore, this cot of x plus minus y. This is cot of x, cot of minus y. Because I am replacing y by minus y, this is minus 1 only. After that only it will become plus. This is cot of minus y plus cot of x. This is from this identity I am writing. Okay. Right. Now look at that. Here also this cot of minus y is minus cot y. Here also minus is there. Minus taken commonly. So therefore cot x, cot y. This is plus 1. Okay. Minus taking outside means this is, it will become plus 1. This is minus cot y here. Okay. Taking minus outside. Cot y minus cot x. Okay, so therefore minus minus cancel. I will get cot of x minus y equal to, this minus cancel, we will get cot x, cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. Are you okay? You forgot about this. This is a full proof for the 13th identity, right? Are you okay? Yes, come to that 14th identity. Again, I repeat that 14th identity. What is 14th identity? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x r 2 cos square x minus 1 r 1 minus 2 sin square x r 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, we know that which is already proved one. Cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay, so replace y by x. What happened here? Replace y by x, then I will get cos 2x, x plus x. If your y is x means I will get x plus x cos 2x. Here y by x, cos x into cos x, cos square x. Okay, here y by x, sin x into sin x, sin square x. Okay, I will get the first one, cos square x minus sin square x, right? Okay, now I'm going to prove the second one, 2 cos square x minus 1. How to prove that 2 cos square x minus 1? So I'm going to write that this is cos square x minus, your sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square x. Are you okay? Your sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square. Therefore, this minus into minus cos square becomes plus cos square. Already one cos square is there. So therefore, 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, right. If you apply, this is cos square is 1 minus sin square. Okay, so this is another formula cos 2x. Here in this formula, here I am applying sin square is 1 minus cos square. You apply cos square is 1 minus sin square, what happen? This cos square is 1 minus sin square. This sin square as it is. So therefore this becomes 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, right. So how to prove this? This is proved. This is proved. How to prove this? How to prove this one? So your cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x divided by what is in the denominator, this one. Simply cos square x minus sin square x means that is divided by 1. So I'm going to substitute that 1 as cos square x plus sin square x. What is your 1? Your 1 is cos square x plus sin square x. I'm just applying that cos square x plus sin square x. Now look at that. This is I'm going to prove that. Here what is the first term? 1. Denominator also first term is 1. But what about here the first term? Cos square. Here also cos square. Therefore, divide the numerator and denominator by cos square. Here it is 1. Here sin square by cos square tan square. Denominator also divided by cos square. 1 plus sin square by cos square, that is tan square. Okay, denominator is 1 plus tan square, numerator is 1 minus tan square. Are you okay? This is our fourth identity. Please take that. We will go to the sixth one, 15th one. What is sine 2x? 2 sin x cos x or 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So we know that the formula sine of x plus y. What is sine of x plus y formula? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Replace y by x. Then what about the left hand side? My left hand side is sin 2x. Sin 2x here. You will replace your y by x. Therefore, here also cos x. Here it is sin x. Okay. So therefore, here also sin x cos x. Here also sin x cos x. So therefore, 2 times of sin x cos x. Here sin x cos x. Your y is cos x. Here cos x sin x. Here also sin x cos x. Here also sin x cos x. I am getting 2 times of sin x cos x. This is proved. Then I am going to prove this. That means your sine of 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. What about the denominator? The denominator is 1. Nothing in the denominator means your denominator is 1. Okay. Now I am going to apply my 2 sin x cos x divided by my denominator 1 as cos square x plus sin square x. Are you okay? So then look at your proof. Your proof is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So look at the proof. This is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. This is the answer. Here I need 2 tan x. Sin x and cos x is there. And similarly, look at this term, particularly this term. The denominator first term is 1, but the denominator first term is cos square. You have to make that cos square is 1. How to make that cos square is 1? Divide by cos square. So therefore, denominator also divide by cos square, numerator also divide by cos square. Then what happened? 2 sin x cos x divided by cos square x whole divided by this is cos square x plus sin square x whole divided by cos square x. Right? Then what is the answer here? 1 cos x cancel. So therefore, I will get 2 tan x divided by here cos square by cos square 1, sin square by cos square is tan square. So this is my tan square x. This is a property 15. Okay, please take that. Look at that 16th one. Tan 2x. My tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, I know that the formula tan of x plus y. We know that tan x plus y formula. What is tan x plus y formula? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, so you just replace y by x. Then what happened? This is tan of 2x. Here y by x means x plus x, tan 2x. Here tan x plus here also tan x. Okay, because we are replacing y by x divided by here also tan x, here also tan x, 1 minus tan x into tan x, replacing y by x. Okay, so therefore the answer is, this is tan x plus tan x, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, you please note the 16th property, 16th identity, tan 2x is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. If you completed means you'll go to the next one. I have already told that you please concentrate the first two chapters. If you have any doubt, you please ask your doubts, clarify your doubts, work out more problems. Okay. See your book, example problems, go through the example problems, go through the exercise problems, everything. Try to complete, try to answer all the questions in your first two chapters. Right. The next one is 17 sine 3x. Sine 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x. Sine 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay. So this sine 3x can be written as sine of 2x plus x. Are you okay? Sine of 2x plus x. What is sine of x plus y formula? Sine x plus y formula. Sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. So therefore, this is sine x. X means the first term into cos y. Y means this term plus cos x, cos 2x. Okay, and into sine y. Y means this is. You please try to understand. My formula is sine of x plus y is sine x cos y plus cos x sin y. Try to understand this formula. Based on this formula, I am writing my x is 2x, y is x. Just substitute that. Okay. Right. What about your sine 2x? Your sine 2x can be written as, this is sine 2x. So therefore, your sine 2x can be written as 2 sine x cos x into this is cos x plus, what about your cos 2x? Your cos 2x, you can take it as, because look at the answer. Look at the proof. So look at the proof, every term involving in sin x only. Here also, this is also involving sin x, this is also involving sin x. Okay. Right. So therefore, I am going to change all the terms into sin x. Here cos x is there. I am going to convert this cos x into sin x. Here cos 2x is there. Okay, cos 2x we have many formula. Look at that, cos 2x we have cos square minus sin square, 2 cos square, 1 minus sin square, 1 minus tan square by tan, 1 plus tan square. But I am going to apply this formula. Why? Because my answer contains only sine terms. So therefore, I am going to apply my cos 2x is sine formula. My sine formula for this cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x into sine x. Okay, now look at that. This is 2 sine x cos square x. Now multiply this one, 1 into sine x, sine x. This is minus 2 sine cube x. Now look at that. I have already told that my answer having only sine terms, no cos terms. That means I'm going to simplify this cos square term. Okay, so I'm going to apply that this cos square as 1 minus sine square. Why I'm applying this? Because the right hand side answer is having only sine terms. So therefore, I'm going to change all the cos terms into sine terms. So here this is sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Okay, now multiply that. What is answer? 2 sine x. This is minus 2 sine cube x. This is sine x. This is 2 minus 2 sine cube x. Okay, now look at that. Here also 2 sine x. Here also 1 sine x. Totally 3 sine x. Here minus 2 sine cube x. Here minus 2 sine cube x. Totally minus 4 sine cube x. This is your answer. See the answer. 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay, you just note that the sine 3x I am splitting into sine 2x plus x. This 3x split into 2 times 2x plus x. Apply this formula, sine of x plus y. After applying that, converting all the cos terms into sine formula, sine terms. Simplify. You will get the answer. The 18th property is the homework for you. In the same way, you have to apply that. I'm going to give only the property cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. In the same manner, you proceed. Okay. So here you can take it as cos 3x. The cos 3x can be written as cos 2x plus x. In the same logic, you apply here. Your cos 3x can be written as cos 2x plus x. Apply cos x plus y formula. What is cos x plus y formula? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Okay. Apply that formula. Cos x plus y formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y formula. Apply that. In that term, you convert all the sine terms into cos. Here I am converting all the cos terms into sine. Finally, I am getting the answer in terms of sine. Similarly, in this formula, you convert all the sine terms into cos. Sine square means apply 1 minus cos square. Sine 2x means apply that formula. Okay, so apply that and simplify. You will get this answer. This is a homework one. Okay, please note that. Yes, somebody is asking. Your 19th one is also homework for you. You please take the 19th one. 19th one is tan 3x. Your tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, last 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will show all the slides. Okay. Right. Come to that next. This is 18th. Look at the 19th. 19th is also homework one. So the 19th is tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. I am Here also you have to take it as tan 3x is tan 2x plus x. You know the formula for tan x plus y. What is tan x plus y? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, in that you will get tan 2x. Your tan x means tan 2x. Here this is very x. Apply tan 2x formula. What is tan 2x formula? Look at the previous identities. Tan 2x formula is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Apply that and simplify. You will get this identity, 19th one. Okay, right. Come to the 20th one. Your cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2. Okay, that is the first one. Here we have 4 identities. Cos x minus cos y equal to minus 2 sin of x plus y by 2. Okay, sin of x minus y by 2. And third one, sin x plus sin y equal to 2 sin of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2. And the fourth one, sin x minus sin y. This is 2 cos of x plus y by 2 into sin of x minus y by 2. Okay, all these are we are going to proving now. Now look at that. What is your cos of x plus y formula? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. What about your cos of x minus y formula? The cos of x minus y formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Are you okay that? This is take it as equation number 1. This is take it as equation number 2. What about your 1 plus 2? Adding these two. Left hand side adding these two. What is the answer? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y equal to, here when you add these two terms right hand side, these both are same, sin x sin y, sin x sin y both are same, cancelled. So therefore you will get 2 times of cos x cos y alone. Are you okay? Right. What about we are 1 minus 2? Subtract. What you are getting? This is cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y equal to, right, when you subtract from this to this, these two terms will get cancelled. Okay, this is, you will get minus 2 times of sin x sin y. Are you okay? Right. Okay, sir. Why you are finding all these things? Because we are going to prove that cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2. But you are proving some other thing. No. So I'm going to relate this. I'm going to take it as, look at that, comparing this and this, comparing this and here. Here cos of x plus y is there, here cos of x. Here cos of x minus y is there, here cos of y is there. Okay, here this is right hand side 2 is here. Instead of cos of x plus y by 2, here only x is there. Here y is there. Okay, now I'm going to apply that I'm going to take it as my x plus y is equal to some theta, x minus y is equal to some phi, some other angle. Then what is that? When you add these two, what happened? This is 2x is equal to theta plus phi. Okay, what is my x? X is equal to theta plus phi divided by 2. Are you okay? This is my x. Similarly, what is your y? Your y is, substitute here. I'll subtract this. Here I'm adding. You subtract. Subtract means you will get 2y is equal to theta minus phi. So therefore y is equal to theta minus phi divided by 2. This is my y. Okay, this is my x and y. Okay, just substitute this x and y here. What about your x plus y? Your x plus y is theta, x minus y is phi. What about your x? X is theta plus phi by 2, y is theta minus phi by 2. Substitute. You just substitute these two in these two equations. What happened? See that. Just substitute that. What is your answer? Substitute these two values. X is theta plus phi by 2, y is theta minus phi by 2 in these two equations. What you are getting? So I am getting cos of this x plus y is theta plus this x minus y is phi, cos phi equal to 2 into cos x. What is my x? Cos of theta plus phi by 2 and into cos of y. What is my y? Theta minus phi by 2. Are you okay? So, but the question is 2 cos x plus cos y, sir, but you are proving cos theta plus cos phi, sir. No problem. Finally, you can replace your theta is x, phi is y. Okay? That is allowed. Similarly, substitute in the second one. What about the second one? What about my second one? In second one, this is cos theta minus cos phi. Okay, equal to minus 2 times of, this is minus 2 times of, okay. So this is sine of x. What is your x actually? Theta plus phi by 2. Theta plus phi divided by 2. Sine of theta minus phi by 2. Are you okay? Please try, take it carefully. Minus 2 times of sine of theta plus phi by 2. Sine of theta minus phi by 2. So now you can replace here. You just replace your theta is x. No problem, because you are changing in every left hand side and right hand side in all the terms. Therefore, no problem for us. Okay, so and take it as your phi is y. So you don't confuse this relation x plus y is equal to theta and x minus y is equal to phi and this relation. This is we are changing, just we are changing. What does that mean? Suppose my cos x is equal to some 1 means your cos y is also 1. That means what is that meaning? This x and y are both same. Are you okay? Like that. Right. So like that, I'm going to replace both the sides, just replacing here theta is x, here also theta is x, theta is x. Here also phi is y, phi is y, phi is y. So therefore, The value of the function never change. So therefore, replace theta by x, phi by y. Okay, then we get cos x plus cos y equal to 2 cos of x plus y by 2 cos of x minus y by 2. Okay, and similarly the next one is cos of cos x minus cos y equal to minus 2 times of sine of x plus y by 2 divided by sine of x minus y by 2. Are you okay? Please try to understand this. Right. Similarly, you have to prove the third and fourth. 3 and 4 are the homework for you. In the same way, same manner, you try to prove the 3 and 4. Okay. Right. The third and fourth are the homework problems. Based on the same, you have tried to prove that 3 and 4. Okay. Right. And the last identity is the 21 identity number 21. And identity number 21 is nothing but this is your identity number 21. You please look at that. This is okay. What is this? Your cos x plus y, cos x minus y is 2 cos x cos y. This is the identity 21. That is the cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y is nothing but 2 cos x cos y. Proof already given. This is the proof. These two statements are the proof. What is that? This is known formula. Adding these two, we are getting this. Subtracting these two, we are getting this. This is the proof. No need to write the proof for this is because we have already proved. Cos x plus y minus cos of x minus y is equal to minus 2 times of sin x sin y. Okay, similarly, in the 3 and 4 also we will get two. So here I am proving first and second. I am getting these two results additionally. Similarly, if you go for the third and fourth result, you will get additionally two results. That is sine of x plus y plus sine of x minus y. That is 2 sine x cos y. Okay. Yes. I will show it finally. Please wait. This is sine of x plus y minus sine of x minus y. That is equal to 2 cos x sin y. These are the identity. When you prove this, this is also homework. When you prove these two, automatically these results will come. Okay, when you prove these two results, automatically these results will come. Based on these results only, you will get this result. Okay, after proving this result only, you will prove these two results 3 and 4. So therefore, this is also homework 1 because you can easily prove that from here. Any doubt? If you want anything means you please write it.
Sir.
Yes, please
Sir,
tell me.
Sir, just a 5 minutes, sir. I will just make an announcement
Yeah,
to
please,
students.
please carry on, sir. Please carry on.
Yeah, yeah. Students, from today you will be having some doubt clarification sessions, ma. So today evening, 6:30 to 7:30, you will be having some physics doubt clarification session, and on daily basis you will be having the doubt clarification sessions. Your coordinators will be sending you those details. Okay. Not only physics, you will be having physics, chemistry, per day one doubt clarification session will be there. Yeah. Okay, sir. Yeah. You can continue, sir. Yeah, you will be having every day, ma. Sir, one student asked a doubt that explains 17th identity, sir. Once again. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
One student is asking to explain 17th identity once again, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Uh, yes, some students is asking that 17th identity sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay, what about this? Look at that. Yeah, dear students, please look at that. Here, your sine 3x, I am taking as 2x plus x. Okay, what about your sine of x plus y formula? Sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. Here, this is my x, this is my y. Okay, so therefore sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. That means in place of y you replace x, in place of x you replace 2x. Okay, right. After expanding this, applying this formula, look at that your answer. Your right answer having only sine terms. Here also sin x, here also sin x. There is no cos. But your right answer, this answer involving some cos. I'm going to apply some formula for this cos 2x and this cos. Okay, and also I don't want this sin 2x because here there is no sin 2x. So I am going to apply sin 2x formula. This is my sin 2x formula. You please see the previous identities. This is 2 sin x cos x is my sin 2x. This cos x as it is. This cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. For cos 2x, we have many formula is there. I'm choosing that 1 minus 2 sin square. Why? Because all the term in that result, right hand side having only sin x. So therefore, I don't want to apply any other formula. I want to apply this formula 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now multiply. This is cos into cos x into cos x cos square. This is 1 into sin x. This is 2 sin square into sin x. This 1 into sin x is sin x. This minus 2 sin square into sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Okay, still I don't want this cos square x. Cos into cos square. I don't want this cos square. I am applying cos square is 1 minus sin square. Okay, so therefore this is 1 minus sin square, this is 2 sin x, this is 1 minus sin square plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now multiply this 2 sin x, this is minus 2 sin cube x. Okay, now add these are the like terms, sin x, 2 sin x, 3 sin x. These are the like terms, minus 2 sin cube, minus 2 sin cube, totally minus 4 sin cube. Okay, any doubt, Pa? Any other doubt? Tan 3x is the homework for you. Are you able to see the screen, PCV? Yeah. Why which step you are not understanding? Some student is telling again it is not understanding. Which step you are not understanding? Tan 3x is homework. You please try the tan 3x. This is a formula. You can take it as tan 3x is equal to tan 2x. This is a homework one. Tan 2x plus x. What is your tan 2x tan x plus y formula? This is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, here tan 2x is there, here also tan 2x. You please see that tan 2x we have some formula 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Apply the formula tan 2x and tan 2x here and then simplify, you will get the answer. Okay. Second step, which is second step? 17th identity. Yeah. Second step, from second step. 17th identity, second step. Which step? Look at Kanna, this is, I'm applying this formula. Look at that formula, sin x plus y formula I'm writing here. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here you consider this as x, this as y. Apply this x, this y here right hand side. I will get this term. You just apply this, you will get it. Any other doubt? Yeah, good, very good. I'm applying this formula sin x plus y. Okay, right. Yeah, I will show all the slides one by one. This is 14th, this is 13th. Yeah, 13th proof is here. This is our 13th. Yesterday we discussed. This is our 14th. Some student asked you that 25th slide. Yeah, yeah. Look at my student, my dear student. This is this formula. Look at the sin 2x formula. See the previous identity. Sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. Your sin 2x formula is identity is, see the previous identity, sin 2x we got some identity is there. Sin 2x identity is 2 sin x cos x. This cos x as it is. This is sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. This cos x is as it is. And this is cos 2x identity, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Yeah, good. Some students ask that 29th slide. Yeah, some students asked that 30th. This is homework for you. Yeah, just a minute. Some students are asking some doubts. I will clarify doubts and finish the class. Yes, 30th slide is this is the identity cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to 2 cos x cos y. The proof is here. Look at that. This is the proof. This is one of known identity. This is one of known identity. Adding these two, I will get this. This is nothing but this term I am writing here. The same term I am writing here. This is already proved. This is already proved. These two you are going to prove that. When you prove this third and fourth identity, you will get these two answers. Okay. Yeah, you ask your doubts at any chapter, chapter 2 or chapter 1 or chapter 3. You ask your doubts. You can ask your doubts at any time. This is 21. See that slide, slide number 30, 21 identity. These four are called as 25 first identity. All the four. Okay. No, 20th and 21st identity are same. No, look at that. Your 20th identity is cos x plus cos y. That is equal to 2 times of cos of x plus y by 2, cos of x minus y by 2. But look at that. This is 2 times of cos x cos y is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Look at that. 20th and 21st are different, not same. Okay, please try to understand. 20th and 21st are different, not same. Same identity. Okay, you try to complete that identities, the homework problems today. And in our next class, we will go to that problems and exercise problems. After that, we will go to that next section, trigonometric equations. Okay, that is our last section. After that, discussing miscellaneous. Then this chapter will be over. Okay, right. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. 21st identity is the homework one. Part of the 21st identity already completed. Part of the 21st identity already completed. Part of the 21st identity you have to complete. That is a homework. Okay. Yeah, if you want, you buy R.D. Sharma and work out more problems. That will be helpful for you. If you wish, if you are interested to do problems, then you please buy the R.D. Sharma and work out more problems. That is well and good. I appreciate that. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much. Any other doubts? Any doubts? Thank you.